Hi, friends! Today's book is called Peppa's Pizza Party. The words were written by Rebecca Potters. She's the author. And the pictures were drawn by E1. Do you like pizza? I sure do. In the book, Peppa Pig and her family make delicious pizzas. Let's read about it. It is lunchtime at Peppa's house. Can we make pizzas? Peppa asks. George loves pizza. So do Mummy and Daddy Pig. Peppa is excited to start. But first, everyone must wash their hands. They use soap and water to get all clean. When they are done washing, they gather ingredients. To make our pizzas, Daddy Pig says, we need flour. Tomato, chimes in Mummy Pig. Cheese, continues Daddy Pig, and toppings. I see some of their ingredients on the table. Mushrooms, tomatoes, cheese, olives, flour, and it looks like they're even putting corn on their pizza. But wait, there's something missing. George likes pineapple on his pizza, Peppa says. Pineapple? Daddy Pig repeats. On pizza? I think that's against the law. Hee hee hee. Peppa laughs. Daddy Pig is being silly. It is not against the law to put pineapple on pizza. Now it is time to make the pizzas. Mummy Pig puts the flour into a bowl. Then she adds water. This mixture will become pizza dough. Tasty. Mummy Pig sprinkles a little flour on the table so that the dough doesn't stick. Then, with their clean hands, Peppa and George knead the dough. Bam! 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 I am big and strong, Peppa says, and George is big and strong too. Next, they make the dough into 4 balls. These will become 4 pizza pies. Mummy Pig rolls the dough balls flat with her rolling pin. Oh, says Peppa, they look like pizzas now. Mummy and Daddy Pig make a sauce with the tomatoes. Then Peppa and George smooth it over the dough. I like making pizza, Peppa says. It's so fun. Now it is time to decorate the pizzas. Can we make happy faces on top? Peppa asks. Of course we can, replies Daddy Pig. I'll use mushrooms to make eyes and olives for the smile. And I'll use onions for the eyes and basil for the smile, says Mummy Pig. Peppa uses sweet corn for the smile and little tomatoes for the eyes. George has pineapple for the eyes and cheese for the smile. Look at all their happy face pizzas. They look great. Mummy Pig puts on her oven mitts. Then she places the pizzas in the oven to bake. When the pizzas are done, Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig eat in the garden. Their pizzas are very good. These are the best pizzas in the world, says Peppa. Peppa loves pizza. Everyone loves pizza. And that's the end. Now, friends, let's make a pizza together. Here's our pizza oven, the oven knob to turn it on, and our toppings. Green bell peppers, pepperoni, black olives, and mushrooms. We have Parmesan cheese to sprinkle on top after it bakes, and then we'll cut the pizza with this pizza cutter. We have our pizza dough and sauce on top. Let's put the cheese on the pizza. What comes next? Toppings, yeah! Let's put pepperoni, green peppers, and mushrooms on our pizza. We'll start with the pepperoni. Can you help me count how many pieces we put on? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, the peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last, the mushrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's put the pizza into the oven. Turn the knob. While we wait for our pizza to bake, let's do another activity. Look, friends, it's pictures of 2 pizzas. Yummy! These pizzas have pepperoni on top. Let's count the pieces of pepperoni together. Ready? So the first pizza, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pepperoni slices. Okay, the second pizza, 1, 2. Only 2 pepperoni slices on this one. So friends, the first pizza had 7 and the second pizza had 2. Now, can you tell me which pizza has more pepperoni? Point to the one with more. Yeah, this pizza has more pepperoni because 7 is more than 2. Okay, now we have 2 more pizzas, and these pizzas have peppers. How many peppers on the first pizza? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 pepper slices. Okay, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So friends, this time, can you point to the pizza that has less pepper slices? Less. Yeah, this one. This pizza has less peppers because 3 is less than 8. Great work, friends. Perfect timing, our pizza is done. Okay, Peppa, we have pizza for you, some water, and green beans. Let's put some of this Parmesan cheese on top and use the pizza cutter to cut the pizza.
Oh, that looks so good. Thank you.
You're welcome, Peppa. That was tasty, huh?
That was so good.
Well, friends, thank you so much for joining me while we read Peppa Pig and did some fun pizza activities. See you next time for more Storytime fun. Bye!